Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2012 Lexus CT200h in Fire Agate Pearl on black leather interior. So we'll just start over on the back here. I'll show you the trunk. So here's the trunk. Fair bit of room in there. You could fit probably one really big suitcase or a couple smaller duffel bags. And then underneath here, we've got a first aid kit. That's the rear lower tow hook. This one has a trailer hitch on it, so that had to come off for the hitch to go on, but it is there if you wanted it. Down below we've got the front tow hook, the tools, the spare, and there's the jack there. On the sides here we have pockets here and over here, so I'll show you. They open, pull that off, and there's a cubby hole for some storage down there. We've got hooks for netting. If you'd like to get netting, you can put them on the hooks there and have that netting hold your items down in the trunk. We've got the privacy screen here that pulls out, locks in place like so, and we'll just close up the trunk here. And there it is from the back. So there's that trailer hitch. So if you like, you can put a bike rack or something like that on the back. And then we've got rear wiper on the back as well, so you can clear the rear window. And we'll just head over to this side. So here's your back wheel, no curb rash, no issues, painted rotors, painted calipers, and nice Michelin tires. Those are brand new brake pads and rotors on the back. And here's your back seat. So nice and spacious. We've got winter mats down on the floor there. And there it is there, nice leather interior. And close this one up. And here's the front, so power windows, power locks. We've got another cup holder there in the door. And let's have a seat in here. As I get in, just have a look in the door frame, see how nice and clean they are. Look great. And let's take a look for books. So in the glove box, we've got the set of books here. We've got the wheel lock key there, so that's all there. Up top, we've got a vanity mirror with light. So that's perfect. And let's hop out, close this door, and have a look. So there is a little mark or crimp in the trim there. I just want to point out to you. So that's there. And let's go along, have a look at the front wheel here. So it looks great. No curb rash, no issues. Painted rotors, painted calipers on the front, and 2 new tires, Michelin's on the front. So that looks great. And let's have a look at the front. So there we are on the front. So this is the same engine that you would find in the Toyota Prius. So it's a 98 horsepower gas engine paired with 2 electric motors. So one is used for charging the batteries. The other one is used as a drivetrain motor. So at low speeds it can run solely on the electric motor. At higher speeds it pairs and works together with the gas engine. So paired together, they have 134 horsepower, which, don't be afraid of that. That is a fair bit actually in this setup. So it runs nice and it is quick and sporty. So have a look while we're here. Just look how nice and clean and tidy everything is. Everything looks great. Headlights look awesome. We've got projector headlights there. We've got fog lights down at the bottom. And let's close up the hood and have a look at the front there. So here we are. So there's the hood. Issues, I mean, every car is going to have some, so looks like there's a little stone chip there, maybe another one there, a couple little marks, nothing that isn't going to happen just driving the cars down the road. So that's there. Other than that, it looks fabulous. And here's your front wheel. So again, no curb rash, no issues, painted rotors, painted calipers, and brand new Michelin tire on the front. And that looks great. And let's go to the back. Same thing here, painted rotors, painted calipers, and Michelin tires. No curb rash, no issues on that rim. And there's the back seat from this side. So it looks great. And we'll just close that up. And here's your driver's side door. So there's your memory seats. So it has 3 settings, 3 users to remember the seat setting. On the door, it looks like there's a little wear. I guess the glue has started to dry, I guess, underneath. But other than that, it is fine. No big deal. And there's your power windows, power locks. And then over here, we've got power mirrors, rear wiper control down there, fuel door release, and your pedal e-brake. So we'll just hop in and we'll fire this one up. Have a look in the door frames there, nice and clean. And here we are. And pushed it too many times. Push it again. And there we are, Lexus. So down in the corner there, we've got 69,958 kilometers. So right now, let's see, it's in EV mode, and I can push here, just down here. We can switch between eco or sport. When it's in sport mode, the dash goes red, and the left side hybrid indicators go to a tachometer. So this is the point where the engine and e-machine will be paired together to work in hybrid mode. So that's that, and we can put it back to normal mode. There we are there. So on the steering wheel, we've got volume and channel controls, mode control, display, voice control, phone controls. Over here, we've got automatic climate control for passenger and driver. So we've got two separate temperatures, as you can see, on either side. And then down here, we've got, that's your gear shifter. So to shift gears, you go like that. And then you've got your park. And then there's your radio, so AM, FM, satellite, CD, aux, and that's again the EV mode button that I was talking about earlier. And then here's your heated seats. So you press those, and you can turn the knob depending on the intensity that you're looking to have in the heated seat. And then down here, we've got a nice little pocket for setting your phone. Another one there if you want to stand your phone up. And here's 12-volt socket, USB, and line in. So that's awesome. And your two cup holders. Up the top, we've got sunroof controls. We've got home link for the garage. So I'll just show you the sunroof closing. So there's one touch. Perfect. And one more to final close it. So that's that. And there's your privacy screen, so that's all closed up. So we'll just hop out with this one running and have a look. So there it is running. There's the front, nice projector headlights, LED daytime running lights. Wow, what an awesome car. It just looks fabulous. I love this paint. Here it is from the back, nice LED tail lights. Looking awesome. There you have it, folks. 2012 Lexus CT200h, Fire Agate Pearl on black leather interior with just 69,000 kilometers. Here and available at monroemotors.com. Come on down and have a look at it for yourself. Look forward to seeing you real soon.